Hello and welcome back to my channel of Rated Analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let us continue with the discussion of the gold index from where we left off yesterday. As you guys know that when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending over here, and we marked this area as an area of short-term support and this area as an area of short-term resistance. And you guys can clearly see that market closed below our area of resistance and then continued over there and did not really give us any good options to sell, so we would have stayed out of the market until and unless market gave us this good opportunity to buy from this buying zone. So for example, if we would have taken a buy entry over here, so our take profit would still be running over here, and our stop loss will be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a 4.9% profit. And as soon as this trade had happened, so once market closed above our short-term support zone, we would have taken buying entry once again over here, and our take profit will be over here, and our stop loss will be over here. So this trade would have given us a 1.9% profit. Both of these trades were really good, and I hope that you guys benefited from these trades. So after those two trades, the another good scenario was this after confirmation of buying. This was an area to buy after confirmation, so this trade would have given us a 1% profit. Yeah, so I think the good scenarios overall were followed. So okay, so now let me move the supports. So this will be the area of support. Okay, so and now let me mark the fresh area of resistance, which will be, let me just mark, the fresh area of resistance will be this area. Okay, so now it is quite clear and evident that how we can trade this pair. So now let me bring in all the previous keys, all the previous moves, so you guys can have a clear idea as how to trade this pair. Okay, so this will be the scenario. Okay, so I hope that you guys can follow the scenario clearly, as this key is going to remain same. So just follow this given key, and I hope that you guys are gonna profit from this. And just let me know in the feedback section if you want to know anything further. And that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have an amazing and profitable day. So just hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.